Hey, it's me again. So, even though I am still working on my second reroot, I actually haven't done anything since unrooting her. This is another doll, sorry, that I'm working on. I'm actually, her hair is in decent condition. It needs to just be defuzzed. And then I'm gonna straighten it and then style it. But there's nothing cut, there's nothing snagged, there's nothing missing it. I cleaned her body. She was really dirty. So I cleaned her body. I put her through the wash. And now I'm going to try this to defuzz her hair. I know there's two ways. Some people use a little defuzzer, which I'm going to try. And hopefully it won't like ruin her hair. And then other people will take scissors. I'm actually going to turn this on. It's just a rechargeable one I got on Amazon. I'm going to actually, just to make sure and see how powerful, you know, and how gentle I need to be by just demonstrating and using it and trying it out on my own sweatshirt. All right, I'm not quite sure. Oh, maybe it's because it wasn't locked in. Ah, there we go. Oh. I mean, just there. There we go. So, it seems pretty gentle. So, and you can see inside it gather stuff. So, I'm going to just try a little bit on her, see how it works. Oh, I think I kind of, first of all, let me just kind of show you while there's still some fuzz. And then we can compare afterwards and see if I need to go back with scissors. Because honestly, I'm looking and it looks like I might still need to do the scissors method. We don't want to cut these. We don't want to cut the loops. I just want to just fuzz it. I mean, it's getting some. You can see the orange collecting there. So again, as I've been learning with all the restoring I do with the Cabbage patches, that it's not instantaneous. Everything takes time. And it's a great lesson for me. Both because of my ADHD and also because of, I think just the fact that we all live in a world of instant gratification, that, you know, we sometimes need, we need something to kind of slow us down. And remember how it used to be that without this instant gratification, I mean, we can look at Amazon and in some cases order something and have it here in a few hours. You know, so I like that this slows me down, and it does seem to be working. I don't think, and I should have taken some pictures and not just the video before of the condition of her hair, the fuzz, which I did not do. Ooh, that's not good. I just got stuck. It's stuck in there. So I shut it, and okay, luckily that worked. Luckily I was able to shut it. Did not ruin the loop. Again, just have to be really careful with it. Just gonna go all around. Get all. I'm hoping you guys can see this. I'm not paying attention as I'm videoing this. But then looking, there's even some a little bit. Whoop! Got another piece stuck. But I like it. It automatically shuts off when something gets stuck in it. This one was a little trickier to get out because that was her long hair. I really need to be careful. Maybe just use scissors on the long hair. And just go back to just doing these little loops, de-fuzzing them. Oh, I like though that it does stop. Just gently pull them out. Again, just need to be careful that I think that looks a lot better than it did. And I'm not going to worry too much about her back here, because I actually plan to take a hair straightener, just a human hair straightener, and use that on a low setting just to straighten it before I either do ponytails or braids. I have not decided yet. One of the things too is I might do a little de-fuzzing on her just main head. But what I'm gonna do is, and I'm still gonna straighten it, but what I realized by the long haircut before is it's chilly in here, and I have a heater on in front of me, a little space heater, and it's blowing. It was blowing the hair. So I'm just gonna kind of just hold on to her here and just kind of do a little bit of de-fuzzing this way. But actually, let me see. I might go a little bit more. I might still go over with scissors. I'll grab some that I didn't get before. It didn't pick up. Whoop. I love though that it does as soon as it stops, as soon as anything gets stuck. That is a great feature. I mean, I definitely got a lot. I still see some extra little things that it's not getting even when I go over it. So I'm probably just going to very carefully go over that with scissors. I think getting the main part of this done with this and then just going over with scissors is really helpful. Get her little arm out of the way. Be very gentle when I take it out. But I think, I don't know if you can see it, to me it looks a lot better. And I'm gonna review this video and see if I can see the difference. And then I am gonna jump back on when I take a pair of scissors and kind of finish de-fuzzing her that way. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to video when I'm straightening her hair. Unless I can find another plug. I'll try to find another plug that's long enough cord, and maybe just show you how I straighten her hair. And then after that, I will decide if ponies or how braids or what I'm gonna do for styling. And then I have a fun outfit for her, so I'll definitely be sharing that.